Hi everyone, welcome back to TenorShare. Whenever a new macOS version is released, we can't wait to upgrade. However, if you find that some apps in Sonoma are not working properly, or if the upgrade causes your Mac to slow down, you may regret the upgrade. Want to go back to the old macOS Ventura but don't know how? Fortunately, Reboot can help you easily downgrade to Mac from macOS 14 Sonoma to Ventura. Let's see how it works. Part 1. How to back up a Mac with Time Machine. To ensure a successful downgrade, it's important to back up all your essential data before starting the process. So you need to prepare an external hard drive and connect it to your Mac. Then click the Apple icon in the top left corner, select System Settings, and click General. Next, click Time Machine. Add Backup Disk. Finally, it will start backing up your Mac immediately. Part 2. How to downgrade macOS Sonoma to Ventura in few clicks. Want to quickly downgrade your Mac? Now it's Reboot showtime! I've put the download link below. Once installed, launch it and connect to another Mac or PC device. On the home page, click the More Features option. Choose macOS Upgrade/Downgrade and select the Downgrading System option. Next, you need to put your Mac into DFU mode. Just select your model and follow the guide here. Let's do it. Press and release the power button. Press it again, and at the same time press these three keys, right shift and left option, and left control for about 10 seconds. After that, release these three keys, but keep holding the power button until Reboot detects your MacBook. Hit download to get the package on your device. Once done, select Initiating Downgrade. You can see the progress of downgrading on the screen. Please don't disconnect the device in the meantime. Soon you will witness Downgrade Completed screen. Now your Mac is now back on the macOS Ventura. This step will erase all the data on your device, but with the backup, there's no need to worry. That's it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed. I will be grateful if you subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.